Let's get started in the error apportionment configuration. If you're new to the app, what you're going to find is that in this panel, the introduction, you click on that tab, the play tab, and you're going to have access to all of the video resources for this specific calculator. For the error apportionment, we have one reference, Precision Machine Design, which you can access by clicking this icon that will take you to the SME website where you can purchase the book. Now, as we are starting to navigate, we're going to see a diagram panel and the configure panel. The diagram panel, you cannot enter values in. It is only an output. So as you click that there are 3 axes and you press enter, the value will change in the diagram accordingly. So let's say 3 axes, 100 micrometers. And for the components right now, we're just going to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to show you how the terms entered will actually be reflected on the top section for bearings, structures, actuators, sensors, and cables. So let's do the same thing for the sources of error. Once you have entered all of the terms, you can click Run Analysis and the button will actually populate the table and give you the results. The results for this particular calculator come in 2 different forms. First one is the diagram. The diagram gives you all of the numbers needed for your error apportionment. Now if you keep going down, you're going to find the equations panel. And in that panel, as you click on different terms, for example, the tooltip will tell you error -ls means this is the error calculated using the linear sum. Now as you're going through, for those in the higher tier, you'll be able to click on a request PDF. This will give you a summary of the analysis that gives you a quick introduction, the input summary, and the results. This QR code, if you scan it with your phone, will actually take you directly to the app, to that calculator. Now let's say you have your results and you start making design decisions. The bearings geometric error, you're being allocated 0.8 micrometer per axis. So you're saying, I want a little bit more on that. As soon as you click and change any of the entry terms, your data will be erased from the user interface. Click and run analysis again, it will be populated with the new values. This is done for safety. And that is all for this calculator.